welcome back. I went to McDonald's and I went to a Canadian McDonald's, as you can see by the maple leaf, and I got 3 of the collector cups. Now, there are supposed to be 4, but I got the 3 that I wanted, and I didn't want to spend the $3 on a cup I didn't really want. I am missing the Grimace cup, but I wanted to show you guys these cups because apparently in the United States, their cups are not glass, and our cups are actually glass. And they are, I went to McDonald's again today, still available in Canada if you want them. Now, can you guess which 3 I wanted? I'm going to tip them over for you. There is the first one. Beanie Babies. Look at the little heart tags. This one is Snoopy on one side and Hello Kitty on the other. Look at that. The boxes are so cute. Do you know what I like about them? I'm like pushing them way out. This one is 1997 because that's when the Beanie Babies came out. And in 2004, look at the Hello Kitty box. 2013, like just look at the box. 2000, 2017. And then there is Snoopy. I don't see when he came out as a McDonald's toy, but very clearly he was Camp Snoopy because there's the tag that we see on all of our Happy Meal toys. Not all, sorry, a lot of our Happy Meal toys. This one is the one that I truly wanted. I mean, I wanted this one too because it's Snoopy and Hello Kitty, but the one that I absolutely wanted more than any of the others, is it Hot Wheels from 1995? Look at the McDonald's Hot Wheel car. So cute. It was, but it's also Barbie. And I'm assuming that says 1999. Look at this. And in 94, and there's Barbie's horse and Taffy the dog, the jet ski. I was so excited because, we do a lot of doll stuff. I love Barbie. And when I was a kid, McDonald's, Burger King, they all had those collectible cups. The last ones, I believe I had the Shrek ones. Look at these. And I heard that in the States, our American friends got plastic glass, or I was going to say glassware, but is it really plastic drinking cups? Because it's not really glassware. Look at the bottoms. Oops, let me turn that one around. So they all have who they are. So Mattel, Thai, Sanrio, and Peanuts. I don't understand why Sanrio and Peanuts are on the same cup. I don't know. But let's open them. They are so cute. I have already opened them so that I could make sure I could get them out because, I have issues for getting scissors. And this one I did get a little bit wet. You can see it on the box when I was bringing it home. So I am going to move these out of the way and let's just get right into it. Look at the little house. When I was a teenager, preteen teenager, Beanie Babies were huge. I am so excited. Ready? Like this is an actual glassware. Take the tag out. Now, can you see? Here's our 2004. There's the Beanie Baby bear with the Beanie Baby. And here is 1997. These are a good size. Here is a Barbie, because that's what I have, in comparison for height. Like, it's the size of a torso. That's a really big, decent glass. I like them because they are the shape, holding, and it's 3D almost. So let me put this in. I'm going to see if this will help you to see the picture better. Look at that. Does that help? I don't know. Can you see the picture better? I don't know. Maybe it doesn't help. But there is the 2004. There's the Beanie Baby with the tag. Maybe it's easier without it. With the tag, there's our cute little bear, and it has a McDonald's M. Turning him around, you can see the seam. There is the 1997, and I don't know. Oh, that's the duck or the platypus. Some sort of, I don't know. But there's his beak and its feet. Maybe it's a platypus. I don't know. And it has M's all the way around. How adorable. Whoa, look at it roll. You've got to tell me at the end which one of these is your favorite. So we have, dun, 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 the Beanie Babies. Let me, boop, so that you can see that these are the Beanie Babies. Let's open Hello Kitty and Snoopy. You know what? Hello Kitty's got two sides of this box and Snoopy only has one. And if you notice, Snoopy is super popular right now. Walmart, Ardennes is a Canadian clothing store, but he's in Walmart. He's everywhere. He has the top of the box. Okay, look, it's so cute. I don't know if I'm going to keep this box. Maybe I can turn it into something. But are you ready? Oh, are you ready? Here it comes. I only have one of this one. I have two of this one and two of the Barbie one, but I only have one of this one. 2002, so that's when Snoopy, I'm sorry, I got my fingerprints on this one. 2002, and there is Snoopy, and he's wearing his Camp Snoopy hat. Look at that. He has his little bandana and his backpack. There you go. His bandana here and his backpack with his hat. How absolutely adorable. And it's from 2002, so it's been a long time. And then we have Hello Kitty, and she also has that hook, like on the box. Where did I put? Oh, I was gonna say, where did I put the box? Right beside me. See this hook? She has a hook. Does it have that on any of these? Right here. So it's got the little hook. So she has the little hook because these would have been keychains or things to clip to your backpack. And then Snoopy again. This one is one of my favorites. I love it. Let's try to put Snoopy face up. Will he stay? No, Snoopy, don't stay. Or stay, don't go. Now he's going to go. Oh, Snoopy. Oh my goodness. I think this would have been around, maybe correct me in the comments, when the Snoopy movie came out, when the Peanuts movie came out. Was that around this time? I remember being really excited for that movie. I don't know. I remember it. But I used to also watch It's an Easter Beagle, Charlie Brown, and Charlie Brown Christmas. And I used to actually read the comics that came in the newspapers. Remember when people got newspapers delivered? And I would always look for the Peanuts. I loved them. Now, are you ready? This is our final glass. This is the one that I was so desperate to find. And it was also the first one that I found. Barbie and Hot Wheels. Look at the top of that one. It is the Hot Wheels McDonald's. And I remember, not so much from being a kid, but I remember from being a young adult, teenager, when my kids were little, even before my kids were little, it would have been around the time that Kelly was with Barbie, that every time there was a Happy Meal with Barbie, there was also Hot Wheels, because way back then there was the girl toy and the boy toy, and now it's just a toy. So we've come a long way. But Barbie, do you guys remember when Mattel came out with the Hot Wheels computer and the Barbie computer? It was around that time. I'm loving the box with there's Ken and all different Barbies. She's got the nice neck detail, and this one doesn't. I mean, come on. None of these ones do. So this is the best looking Barbie on the box, straight off the bat. But look at her very 80s shoulder pads. And then there's a dream house and an umbrella. All right, let's just open it up. Let's just go. Okay. Oh my gosh, it says Nutella, the tag. Okay, I'm opening. And there is our glass. Oh, okay. Let's get that little. So they all come with a little piece of paper too. I don't know what it tells you. Dishwasher safe. Don't put hot liquids. It comes with everything. All right, here is our glass. So on the front, we have Barbie, and she's on the little Barbie stand. And you can feel it, but it's hard to see. There actually is a face. There's eyes and a mouth with her high pony. I believe, based on the shoulder pads and the pants, that it is this Barbie, because she's holding the dog. And if you look, this Barbie is holding Taffy. I think that this gorgeous Barbie is who's on our cup. See the shoulder pads? What do you think? Like, I don't think it's this one. right? Like, and this one's got hairs. It's down. This one's wearing a hat. I truly think it's this beautiful Barbie. Isn't she gorgeous? I love it. So there's our Barbie. And if you remember, they were on like little stands and they had like actual real hair way back in 1999. And then on the other side, look at that Hot Wheels car. Look at how long and skinny. Does it show on the box? I think it's the actual McDonald's car. Of course, it's the one that they cut off. But look at, there's the back, the flames or clouds, whatever. Is that smoke? I don't know. But see, there's the M. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. It's that car. I love how it's integrated into the packaging with the M's all around. I am so thankful because it's been so long since McDonald's has come up with these. They've had Coke glasses, but not like bringing back the Happy Meals or an actual character. And I got to say, McDonald's, way to go on this one. Like for the nostalgia, for the fun, for the fact that I went everywhere. I literally went to 3 different cities to get these glasses. So I would get the ones that I had. I am super impressed. And I am so thankful that we have actual, like, I don't want to break them, but glassware as opposed to plastic. McDonald's, any other fast food, continue to do this kind of stuff so that the Barbie collector, the Peanuts collector, the beanie bag collectors, beanie bags, the beanie baby collectors that spend all that money and all that on beanie babies can reminisce with a cup or a glass or whatever you'd like to call it. I'm calling it glassware, could be drinkware, doesn't matter. That is it for this time. Thank you so much for watching and for all of the support. I will see you next week.